Welcome to my educative channel. I'm Dr. Ricardo Hoogstra, plastic surgeon, Buenos Aires, Argentina. I specialize in laser treatment, facial rejuvenation with minimal invasive procedure. Today I'm going to talk about difficult scar. This patient comes from outside of the country and this patient have this white scar. Here is very white. This patient was treated before. You can see the mark of the stitches here, but the scar making white. The proposal that I perform in these cases is a double B plasty with laser, and after that I treat nearly 1-2 months also with laser. Here we can see the results, how improve the vertical, the lateral, and also in this very difficult area almost disappear. This is only 2 months after the procedure. You can see here the whiteness and the failure of the anterior procedure that was made in another center in another country. And this is the result that I give. If you have any question, you have any doubts, you want to send us a picture, you can send to my team and we are going to analyze and make you a devolution. Have a nice day.